Mm.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Chris, and if you're thinking of buying a new home, our videos can start addressing some of the questions you might not even know you have yet. Like, where do you start? It's kind of like that age-old question, how do you eat an elephant? Well, one bite at a time.
Stop. You can't encourage people to eat elephants.
Okay, alright. To appease PETA, we will refrain from using cartoon violence against animals in this analogy. Let's use something we can do. Let's say you're a friend of mine, and you live in Ohio, like I used to, and you want to come visit me because Colorado is awesome. I can't wait to see you. If you come in May, we can go skiing and mountain biking. Maybe take the Jeep off-roading and do some camping, hiking, fishing. This is going to be great. So now you've got a goal. You know where you want to go, but you start seeing some issues with your plan. Here's the situation, and here's your goal. Now, you may have talked to a lender or a realtor already, or maybe even purchased a home before, but everybody in this process knows what they're doing, and it feels like they're taking off without you. It seems overwhelming because there are things you just don't understand. Trust me, if you don't understand things now, it's going to get even more frustrating the higher the stakes get. So figuring out how you're going to educate yourself should be one of the first priorities. Decision time. Do you give up, or do you put a strategy together to make it happen? If you're going to give up for now, that's fair enough. Thank you very much for watching, but I would suggest you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can find it when you change your mind and you want to start learning more about buying your home. But if you're ready to make the dream of home ownership a reality, I encourage you to keep watching. Good, you're still here. Let's start planning your journey. First, you've got to have the desire, and since you're still watching this, I'm assuming you do. And as great as technology is, it can't just teleport you to your goal of home ownership. It takes some work, and you're going to need some help along the way. In our Steps for Buying Your Home series, we'll take you through the major steps. We'll give you some common jargon, discuss some do's and don'ts, share with you where you may need to be flexible, and talk pros and cons of the decisions that you're going to be making along the way. Our channel provides you with a place to research your incredibly important investment at your own pace with no pressure. And the best part is, it's completely free. We only ask two things. Number one, that you help us get the word out about our channel by watching our videos, giving us thumbs up, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And number two, our videos are there to give you a solid understanding of the basics, but they are by no means meant to replace the trusted realtor and loan officer team. No video, no app, no massive bank or 100% automated system ever can. Your situation is unique. Your goals are unique. Your new home will be the foundation of your life moving forward and where your cherished memories will be made. And good people understand the importance of that. So when you're ready to talk to someone, please give our contributors and industry professionals the opportunity to earn your business. Thanks for watching. Please check out the next video in our series, The 4 C's of Mortgage Lending. You can also check out the link to the CFPB's loan toolkit in the description below. And welcome to the home buying revolution.